In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix not receiving emails in Gmail. So if you can't receive any emails in the Gmail application, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix this. Now, first step is just to open up the settings app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to either your cellular network or a Wi-Fi network, and then we're going to scroll down and click on General. Scroll down again and click on Background App Refresh. Scroll down to Gmail and make sure this option here is turned on and enabled. You can then come back over to the previous window, come back over to the main settings page, click on Mobile Service from the list of options, scroll down to Mobile Data for eSIM and click on Show All. Now, next to these applications, you need to go and find Gmail once again and make sure here is turned on and enabled. Now, come back over to the settings app, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Apps. Scroll down again until you see Gmail from the list of options and click on Gmail like so. Now click on Notifications and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on and then come back over to the previous window. Click on Default Email App and change this to Gmail. Then come back over to the previous window, click back on Mobile Service, scroll all the way down to Mail and click on this. Click on Mail Accounts, and then if you see your Gmail account in this list, just go and click on it and then go and remove the account. We can then re-add the account by clicking Add Account, click on Google, and then you'll just need to sign back in to your Google account. We're then going to click on Fetch New Data and make sure Push is turned on and enabled. You also need to make sure the setting at the bottom is set to automatically, and then you can close out of the settings window. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and you're still not receiving emails in Gmail, then it could be due to the storage settings on your account. So to go and check this, we'll need to open up an internet browser. From an internet browser, type in one.google.com/storage and then press search. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account, and here you'll find your storage settings for Google. Now, if your storage is full, that will be the reason why you can't receive mail in Gmail. So you have two options. You can either clean up space by clicking the blue button, or you can just go and upgrade your plan to a bigger storage plan. Now, once you followed all of these steps, you should now be receiving mail in Gmail. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.